I owe a lot of my grounded value systems to the upbringing in the school at home. So I think that's what happens. What you read, you are what you read. You are what you see. You are what you experience. You give to yourself. Remember one thing. I had a choice. I had a choice to drop something out and pick something else. But I didn't. I was making those right choices. So I think at this age, making right choices, what you see, what you hear, what you listen, this is what is actually, because all your subjects are already becoming part of your software in the mind. Understanding each other's languages and cultures and music, I think it's just, this is the beginning of this global citizenship.